A very good morning, my dear children. Welcome to 6th class maths online class. Generally, we can see a variety of things around us every day in our daily life. Observe some objects around us like TV shape, rectangular shape. Similarly, rangoli, that's like doors, windows shapes. But what about glass, flowers, etc.? Today we will learn geometrical ideas. Our chapter is basic geometrical ideas. Open your textbook. Point, a line segment, ray, curve, an angle, interior points and exterior points. These all topics we will discuss. Okay na? First, point. What is a point? How to useful to us point? Point. Choose to location in India map no points. Yes, this is called point. Determine location. Point determine location. This is the point. Point always denotes a capital letter. Okay na? Always choose point capital letter. Okay. Point after line. Next line. This is point. 2 points. When we extend these 2 points, this is called line. Okay na? How to donate this capital letters only choose here. Okay na? This 1 point and 2 points. Join these 2 points and extended line. Okay na? A line is obtained when a line segment both sides extended indefinite length. Okay, so how to choose a line? A, B. This is line. Next, line segment. Take 1 point and one more point. Add these 2 points. One is straight line. So this is called line segment. Fixed length. A line segment has fixed length. Okay na? A line point line is undefined indefinite length. Okay na? Next line segment is fixed length. So this one also choose capital letters. How to write capital letters A, B? This like we have to choose nana. Next ray. Ray. Take 1 point. One side fixed length starting point. This is the unlimited. One side unlimited length. Undefined length. Okay na? So this one choose A, O, capital letters. This like fixed length. Starting point, ending point not there with ray. Ray has no ending point. This like we have to choose a ray. Direction endless. Next curve. Any figure draw without lifting pencil. Any figure, any line or curve draw without lifting. For suppose this is the pen. Without lifting draw a line. This is called curve. For suppose we have to draw a line also without lifting. This is also one of the curve nana. In this curve, two types. Okay na? Open curve and closed curve. Open curve. This is open curve. This is closed curve. Okay na? Sides are closed no. So this is closed curve. This is open curve. Without lifting when we draw any line, that is called curve. Okay? Without lifting any line or any shape we can draw, that is called curve. Curves two types, open curve and closed curve. Next, an angle. This is called one ray and this is also one ray. Choose this point O, here A Here B always denoted with capital letters. Points, rays, all these. Okay na? An angle made up of two rays. This side OA one ray, OB one ray, and end point is one only. Okay na? End point, common end point. The point is called vertex, which is the ending point of two rays, that is called vertex. So what are the ray? OA is one arm, OB is one arm. Two arms is there, which is the ending point, that is called vertex. What is that? Vertex. What is the vertex here? Vertex. Vertex is O, and arms, two arms is there, no? Arms are OA, OB. OA, this like we have to choose nana OB. At the same time, always you have to choose capital letters. When you are showing points, you have to take capital letters only. Next, let us discuss interior points and exterior points. Interior points and exterior points. For suppose, this is one of the closed figure. Okay na? Which is the inside of this? This is interior part. Which is the outside of the part? That is exterior part. Okay na? Which is inside of the part of this picture is called interior part. Which points are there in interior? That are called interior points. For suppose, name them A, C, O. What are the interior points of this picture? A, C, O. Which are inside of this picture? That points are called interior points. What are the outside of the point? That are called exterior points. D, F, Z. What are the exterior points? D, F, Z. Okay na? Which are inside of the picture, that points are called interior points. Which are the outside of the picture, that is called exterior points. Point, which capital letter. Line, this is the line. Both sides are unlimited ending point. Okay. Next, line segment. Fixed length, it has a fixed length. Choose this like ray. One side has starting length and ending length unlimited, undefined. Okay na? This like we have to choose ray. Curve. When we draw any figure without lifting, that is called curve. Curves two types, simple curve and closed curve. Open curve, closed curve. This is open curve. These all three open curves. This is closed curve. An angle. When we join two vertex, two rays, when we join two rays, that is called an angle. Here O is vertex, midpoint of these two rays. That is called vertex, and these two rays are arms. Okay na? OA and OB. These two are arms. Vertex is O. How to read these angles? AOB or BOA also correct. Okay na? How to read this angle? AOB, BOA, both are correct. Next, interior points and exterior points. Which given picture, which side of inside, which side of the inner points, that are called interior point, which are the outside point, that are exterior points. Okay. Next, let us go to our exercise. Open your textbook, page number 50, exercise 4.1. Join the points given below. Name the line segment so formed in the figure. Here, what points? A, B, C. They are choosing capital letters, no? S. Next, second one, P, Q, R, S, T. So, now what they are asking? Join the points given below. Now, we have to join A, B A C. B C. What is this? This is triangle. Yes, triangle. Name the line segments so formed in the figure. They are asking line segments. So AB one line segment, BC one line segment, AC or CA one line segment. AB, BC, CA. These are the line segments. Okay na? So in the top of these capital letters we have to write this like line segments. Next, second one. Join these points P, Q, QR, RS, ST, PT. Over. Next, what are the line segments are in this picture? PQ. Next, QR. Next, RS. Next, ST, TP. Okay na, these are the line segment of this picture. This figure. Okay na, this like we have to draw the line of the top of these letters. Next, understood? Join the points given below. Next, name the line segments so formed in the figure. These are line segments formed in these figures. Second one, name the following from the figure. Name the following from the figure. Here, one figure is there. Name the following from the figure. A, O, D, B, C are there. So, any 5 points. Tell me, any 5, only 5 points are there, no? So, we have to choose what are the point A, B, C, D, O. Only 5 points they are asking. Any 5 points. A, B, C, D, O. C, D, O. Understand, my dears? Name the any 5 points. Name any 5 line segments. Next, any 5 line segments. Next, any 5 line segments. What are the line segment given figure? What are the line segments given figure? AB, BC, CD, DA, AC. Look here, children. AB one line segment, BC one line segment, CD one line segment, DA one line segment. Yes, which is the fixed length. Which are fixed lengths that are called line segments? No. So AB, right answer. AB, BC, CD, DA. Next, AC, BD also line segments. Yes, AC and BD also line. AC and BD. AC one line segment, BD one line segment. AB, BC, CD, DA, AC, BD. These are the line segments. Points A, B, C, D, O. These are the points. Any three rays. OB, OD, OA, OB, OC, OD. Okay na? These are rays. Look here. One side fixed length and next side arrow mark. That are called rays, no? Yes. What are the rays? OA, OB, OC, OD. In the line segment middle we have to choose this like line. Okay na, line segment. This like we can draw above the alphabets. Any three rays. AO or OA, BO or OB, OC, OA, OA, OB, OC, OD. These are the rays. This like we have to choose rays, no? Fixed length, one side, another side, arrow mark. Very easy, Nana. When you understand, very easy. Any two lines. Any two lines. AC or BD. AC, BD. Both sides arrow marks, no? So, what are the lines? AC, BD. Look here, observe this picture. Once again, I will explain. Any 5 line segments AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay. Next, these are the line segments AC, BD also. Next, any 3 rays OA, OB, OC, OD. These are the rays. One side fixed length point and second side unlimited, undefined length. Arrow mark is there. Any two lines, both sides having arrow mark, that is line, no? AC, BD. These two are lines. Next, third one. How many lines can be drawn through 1 point, 2 distinct points? How many lines draw? Can we use 1 point using how many lines drawn and 2 distinct points? Look here, children. 1 point. This is 1 point. For suppose name O. How many lines we have to draw? Number of lines. Undefined lines. Okay, na? Number of lines we can draw. 2 distinct points. Here we have to take 2 points. Whatever side it may be, only one line. Okay, na? 2 distinct points, only one line, 1 point, undefined lines. Okay, na? Next. Fourth one. Which of the following has a definite length? Line, point, line segment, ray. Which has definite length? You know already the definition of these. Okay, na? First one. Line. Look here, Nana. Which of the following has definite length? For suppose line. A line has no definite length because it has no end point. Definite length. Both sides are arrow mark, no? There is no definite length. Point. A point has no definite length because it determines a location, no? Don't know what is the length of this point. Definite length we cannot found. Okay, na? Line segment. Line segment has a fixed length because both sides have 2 fixed end points are there, no? So this one only has fixed length. What is that? A line segment has fixed length. Array. How to choose array? One side end point, second side unlimited length, no? So endless. So this has no definite length. Only line segment is fixed length, definite length. Next, fifth one. How many endpoints do the following have? How many endpoints do the following have? First one, line segment, ray, line. We know already. Line segment. How to draw line segment? Line segment has 2 endpoints. Okay, na? Ray. Ray, one side end point, one side arrow mark. Line segment has 2 endpoints. Ray has 1 endpoint. Okay, na? A line. Line, there is no endpoints. Okay, na? Because both sides are arrow marks, no? So line has no endpoint. Line segment has 2 endpoints. Ray has 1 endpoint. Line is no, not there any endpoint. Next, true or false? A line has no endpoint. Yes, a line has no endpoint. So, true. Yes, no? Line has no endpoint. Ray is a part of a line. Yes, ray is part of a line. This one also true. A line segment has no definite length. A line segment has no definite length. False. Next, a line segment has only one endpoint. This one also false because array only one endpoint, no? So this one also false. We can draw many lines through a point. Yes, we discussed already in previous problem. We can draw many lines through a point. Yes, true. Okay, na? Draw and name line containing point P. Line passing through R. This one draw line containing point P. For suppose draw one line. There you have to containing one point, that is P. This like we have to choose, Nana. I will give classwork. Okay. Line passing through R. Draw this like one line. Line. Draw the line. After that give name R. Okay, na? This one homework. At the same time, think and discuss. Try this. These two all are also homework. Very easy. Read carefully 2 times. You can know answer. Okay, na? Now everyone open your exercise textbook 4.2. Exercise 4.2 page number 52, Nana. Open everyone textbook page number 52. Look here. Take these figures which are simple curves. Take these figures which are simple curve. First one is simple curve. Take this. And second one also simple curve. This is not simple curve, no need to tick. This one also, fourth one also simple curve. Fifth one open curve. This is third one, fifth one no need to tick because that two are not simple curves. State which curves are open and which are closed. Look here, Nana. Here open is there, no? So this is open curve. Okay, na? Second one, this one closed. This one open curve. This one closed curve. This one also closed, no? Is it? Yes, this one also closed all sides, no? So this one closed curve and this one also closed curve. And fifth one, this one open curve. Yes, so O. Next, name the points that lie in the interior and the boundary and the exterior of the boundary. So here you know already what are interior, what are exterior. This is homework. Find out which are interior points, which is inside of the points that are called interior. Okay, na? Which is outside of the figure that are called exterior. Find out yourself. Homework that one. Draw 3 simple closed figures. Draw 3 simple closed curves by a straight line only, by a straight line and curve lines both. Okay, na? Here draw a simple closed figure. This one simple closed figure, no? This one also simple closed figure by a straight lines and curved lines. Okay, na? This we have to draw, Nana. That one, second one, third one, homework. God bless you all. Thank you. I will give this class along with the pictures also, classwork pictures. Everyone write. Okay? And do your homework and send it my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you all.